Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope that all of you are doing well at your home. Dear students, today our topic for class 12 subject economics is the definition of macroeconomics. Dear students, macroeconomics is one of the major subdivisions in the study of economics. In this chapter, we will learn what it is and what is its importance and what are its major principles. So, dear students, let us start to know what macroeconomics is. Dear students, macroeconomics is the study of the economy which involves the phenomenon or variable that affects the entire economy, which includes unemployment, economic growth, inflation, price level, economic decline, and a relationship among all these variables. And now, whatever is mentioned, all of these occur in large scale. Unemployment occurs in large scale, inflation occurs in large scale. So, dear students, you see all of these happening in large scale. Now, if you see the other subdivision of economics, which is microeconomics, here we deal with variables like households and business, individual business units, wherein the decisions are made by these two entities and how they behave in the market is discussed. So basically, if I have to tell you everything in one word or maybe in two words, it is macroeconomics which deals with bigger picture. So bigger picture in the sense that macroeconomics analyzes the entire economy of the nation. So we can say that macroeconomics is the study of economy as a whole. I can also explain you this with an example. If we are going to study about the range of forests, for example, if we study particular type of trees, herbs in the range of forests, we can say that we are studying it micro part, that we are studying the micro part of the forest, that is we are studying the individual of any individual variable in the forest. However, if we study about the vast range of species, whether it may be plants, whether it may be animals, or whether it may be some other birds which are found in forest as a whole, then we can say that we are studying the forest in broader sense, that is macro sense. So dear student, this was all about the definition of macroeconomics. Now the question is, what is the purpose of macroeconomics, or why do we need it? So the answer to this question is, we all live in a complex world and all of us are interconnected in one sense or another sense. There are many economic phenomena which affect other economic phenomena in one way or another way. For example, there may be reasons through which our jobs and businesses gets affected, and when our jobs and business are affected, So how can we earn money so we may be able to buy goods and services for the survival? Dear students, you know, to survive in this modern society, we need money to buy goods and services. So, to understand this complex world and its interconnectivity, microeconomics helps us to understand that what helps economy to grow and what makes it to contract. So, coming to the principles of microeconomic studies focuses on three broader areas, which are also known as three economic agendas in the economy, and they are households, firms, and government. So these are the three main economic agendas of any economy. So the interrelationship among these agendas is what macroeconomics deals about. Dear students, microeconomics helps us in understanding the functioning of a complicated economic system. It gives us a bird's view of the economic world. For the formulation of useful economic policies for the nation, macroeconomic analysis is one of the most significant agent. Economic policies cannot be obviously based on the basis of fortunes of a single firm or even a single industry or the price of an individual commodity. It is far more fruitful to regulate aggregate employment and national income and to work out a national wage policy. Macroeconomic analysis also occupies an important place in economic theory in its pursuit of the solution of urgent economic problems. These problems relate to aggregate output, employment, and national income. Economic theory seeks to explain fluctuations in the level of national income, output, and employment. Thus, we are able to study the economic in its dynamic aspect. Yes, dear students, this was all about the definition and the importance of macroeconomics. Hope that in this video you would have understand what does we mean by the term microeconomics. This was all about today's topic. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz Nasir.